Sam lives in a small town. Every morning, he rides his green bicycle to the park. He likes to read books under a big tree. Today, it is 12 o'clock. Sam wants to go home for lunch. He looks in his bag. He looks in his pockets. "Oh no," Sam says. "Where is my house key?" Sam walks back to the big tree. He looks on the green grass. He sees some flowers, but no key. Then his friend Anna comes. She is walking her dog. Anna asks, "What is wrong, Sam?" Sam answers, "I cannot find my key. I cannot open my door." Anna's dog starts to dig in the dirt. The dog barks, "Woof, woof." Look! Something is shining under the leaves. It is the silver key. Sam laughs and picks up the key. He says, "Thank you, Anna. Thank you, clever dog." Sam rides his bicycle home. He opens the door and eats a delicious lunch. He is very happy now.